Well, video number 3 of the day. I'm now at Karts Plus, which is in Williamsburg. There's a little coaster here, so I thought I'd see if I could get on it. I'm not sure what the credit situation, if I can just buy something for the little coaster. And then when do I draw the line? There's Karts here. It's open for the next, it's actually an hour, so I'm going to go and see it. Again, very small video, so welcome to the video. Please subscribe if you're not already. And oh, it's a disco there. Right, let's go and try and find it. I don't have to look very far. It's there in the distance and there is an adult on it. I did see a Facebook post not too long ago. In fact, I think it's the same roller coaster that I wasn't allowed on earlier today for not having a child with me. There was a Facebook post to say to show people from the American Coaster Enthusiasts group. So, oh yeah, there's plenty of adults on there. So I knew they'd be quite happy with adults going on there. It's just how much it's going to cost. This is a little map. So you got the Python kiddie coaster, that's what going on. You got a disco. You got 1, 2, 3 go-kart tracks and bumper cars and a mini golf. Yeah, so it's only a small go-kart track. I think there's a bigger track over that side, which we'll have a quick look at. It's $7. You can buy them individually. This is the coaster. She did point out they have another ride called the Disco, but then she did say, but it is down right now. The POV from the little coaster won't be great because I was hanging on for dear life. It was brutal. Those ones are always a bit brutal, but it was proper brutal. I only had my phone. I didn't bother with all the GoPro stuff. It's all still in the car, so I had to hold my phone. And I couldn't hold on and hold my phone really well, so it's a tiny little ride. That's it, really. I have a quick look down on the other side, but I was literally driving past it, or pretty much past it. So I thought I'd pop in, have a look, spend £6.52 or something like that, and get the tick. Oh, something in my eye. Literally got the tick. Also got some bumper boats. And I think there's another go-kart track up here. Okay, so there's like another kids track. The cars look very beefy though on there. But yeah, it's just a circle, the Euro track. You got a frog bounce and a figure 8 track, which I imagine will have some sort of tunnel. Yeah, again, they look like the same. Yeah, they look like the same go-karts as the ones over there, but tunnel and then a figure of 8. That's it. Back in the car now. Yeah, it was always going to be a tiny little video just because it's a tiny little coaster at a random. It just feels really. Imagine having like a roller coaster at a service station. There doesn't seem to be any houses anywhere. Where does everyone live who's coming here? Thank you very much for watching. Join me tomorrow for Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Lots of good stuff to get on. Big stuff. I should be able to film on ride there as well, which is they've got like a good policy where just go to guest services and then you just get a wristband, so I have to wait on every ride. I should just be able to show the wristband and then it'd be fine. I also think I can use a hand mount, which I've not used anywhere since starting, I think. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I know it's only been a short video, but if you've not watched them already, somehow you found this video out of all the videos I've done. There's lots more videos from America over the past almost 2 weeks. And then the next few days we've got Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and then also Carowinds. Carowinds is my last park, and I'm so excited for Carowinds. And every park has not disappointed. Six Flags America was a bit, but even that, like, there's no queues. Staff were on the whole okay. Operations were fine. But yeah, Carowinds is, I'm hoping that's the one that does come good. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.